What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of #IRL. In today's episode, we are celebrating International Women's Day! International Women's Day is a big deal here at PicsArt. Why, you may ask? Well, let me tell you why. 51% of our employees here are female. So this year, we are joining the #IWD2020 campaign. So make sure to stay till the end of the video to figure out how you can be featured on our social medias. Alright guys, so I'm going to be remixing this replay right here, link in description, and today I will show you that you can be your own CEO, that girl boss, a fighter, and a creator. Now that we have our photos, it's time to go do the replays.
Want it easy, want it badly, but I can get what I want.
Okay, so here is the replay that we are going to remix. So all I'm gonna do is press on apply and then choose my photo. It's gonna do all the steps one after the other. All I'm gonna do is press next, next, and then this filter is a bit too much, so I'm gonna fade it up a bit. Next, and there you go. So then I'm gonna save it to my photos. And then I'm gonna go to one of my social media accounts, press on my profile picture, and select my photo. Boop. And there you go. And then I'm just gonna save that. To get a chance to be featured on our social media, you can replay this on one of your photos and then put it as your profile picture. Make sure to use the hashtags IWD2020 and #Women's Day and tag us so that we can feature you on our socials. And I guess all I have to say is good luck! Thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure to check out our latest episode, Design Battle, and subscribe to our channel and like this video. Bye!